I meet her down the coast in 17 hours, picking me up, okay, a dog boy to flowers, and I was hoping for Ozzy, I could see my baby that night. So rock.
It's called Wagon Wheel, and it was originally written by Bob Dylan, and Old Crow Medicine Show remade it. Bob Dylan never released it. I started playing the guitar whenever I got a guitar for Christmas when I was like 13 years old, and just kind of slowly picked it up since then. And I always wanted to play a musical instrument, so I picked the guitar. I like the way they sound. And when you sing, when you play the guitar, it sounds, I don't know, full. They kind of complete each other. I've actually never really played in front of many people, except for, I don't know, groups of friends. I taught myself how to play what little I can play. I wish I would. I want to take some lessons, actually. If you get a good instructor, I think it helps a lot. UNT has a really good music program. It's really good in the arts. Me and my friends we go see a band at J&J's Pizza a lot at the underground basement. Lazy Natives, it's this band, they play psychedelic rock, and they're really good. Yeah, I think that Denton itself has a really good underground music scene. I don't know, it's got a lot of the same flavor as Austin, I guess. It's mainly on the square. I like to, I don't know. Sometimes we go to Fry Street, when there's like a band at the garage. It's music. Everybody enjoys music. I think I don't know, life would be really dull without music. I love going to concerts. I love live music. Just being there. I like to be at concerts because, the energy that everyone has, and you can just let loose and jam out.